Want to speak real Spanish from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at SpanishPod101.com.
Hola, ¿qué tal? Soy Brenda Romaniello, tu profesora de español. Hello and welcome to your Spanish class. My name is Brenda Romaniello and I'm your Spanish teacher. Today we're going to have a look at some directions in Spanish. Yes, we're going to look at how to give simple directions in Spanish. That is the class for today. So we're going to start this class having a look at a dialogue. So let's say that we have a student who's looking for the library in Spanish. The question is, ¿dónde está la biblioteca? ¿Dónde está la biblioteca? Where is the library? Ve derecho, la biblioteca queda a tu izquierda. La biblioteca queda a tu izquierda. So go straight or go forward and the library is on your left. ¿Dónde está la biblioteca? Ve derecho, la biblioteca queda a la izquierda. Ve derecho, la biblioteca queda a la izquierda. Where is the library? Go straight. The library is to your left. Muy bien. Very well. So in order to have a look at some simple directions, first let's start with the different directions. We're going to start with the vocabulary today. And we're going to have a look at the different directions in Spanish. So if we want to go forward, yes, straight forward in Spanish, repeat after me. We're going to say derecho, 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 derecho. Then if you want to go left, we're going to say izquierda, izquierda, izquierda. And if you want to go right, we're going to say derecha, derecha, derecha. Okay, so pay attention. It's very similar. We have straight or going forward is derecho, y right is going to be derecha. So one ends in O, one ends in A, and you know they mean different things. So we have to be very careful. You don't want to say straight or when you want to say right and the other way, right? So we're gonna say derecho, derecha, derecho, derecha. Perfecto, muy bien. Very good job. Let's continue now with some vocabulary of things that we can have as an example, yes, to show some locations, some places. For example, we have biblioteca, biblioteca, biblioteca. La biblioteca is the library. Banco, banco, banco. El banco is the bank. Supermercado, supermercado, supermercado. El supermercado is the supermarket. So we're going to have a look at this some structure, and then we'll have a look at some examples so you know exactly how to give and also ask for simple directions in Spanish. So we're going to use, as you can see here in the dialogue, we were saying ve derecho, ve derecho. So ve significa go, okay? Go. Ve derecho. So we're gonna have ve followed by dirección. So it can be one of these directions that we were looking into before, okay? So it could be derecho, izquierda, or derecha, okay? And then we're gonna say luego, and then dobla a la, okay? So dobla a la significa then turn to the right or left. Right, como se dice, derecha, left, izquierda. Luego dobla a la derecha, Luego dobla a la izquierda. And then turn right and then turn left. In Spanish, the literal translation is to the right, turn to the left, turn to the right. Muy bien. And then we are going to mention the place. La biblioteca, por ejemplo, ¿sí? For example, the library, la biblioteca queda a tu right or left. So the library is to your, ¿sí? Or on your right, derecha, izquierda es left. Okay, so remember, dobla significa to turn, yes, dobla means turn in Spanish, so turn right or left, izquierda o derecha, and queda, see, to talk about the place where it is located, we're going to say the place queda a tu, so the place is on your, and then we're going to say right or left, see, derecha o izquierda. Vamos a ver otros ejemplos. Let's have a look at some examples. So let's go to the initial question that we started this lesson with. ¿Dónde está la biblioteca? ¿Dónde está la biblioteca? Where is the library? And remember, we're going to have to use this structure. Well, we're going to say ve. Ve significa go, remember? Luego, see, and then you're going to give the direction. Then you can say something like luego, and then dobla a la left or right, okay? So luego, and then dobla, turn to your left or your right. Por ejemplo, en la esquina, in the corner, esquina significa corner. Esquina. We're going to see it in an example. Esquina. And then you can mention the place. See, in this case, la biblioteca queda a tu right or left. So the library is on your left or right. So let's have a look at some examples, adding all this vocabulary, go, and then corner, right or left, etc. ¿Dónde está la biblioteca? Where is the library? Let's have a look at this example. Ve derecho. Ve derecho. Luego dobla a la derecha. Ve derecho. Luego dobla a la derecha. En la esquina. En la esquina. ¿Recuerdas? Esquina. La biblioteca queda a tu izquierda. La biblioteca queda a tu izquierda. Ve derecho, luego dobla a la derecha en la esquina. La biblioteca queda a tu izquierda. Okay? So go straight or go forward, and then, luego, and then dobla a la derecha, turn right at the corner, en la esquina. Luego, dobla a la derecha en la esquina, then turn right at the corner or on the corner. La biblioteca queda a tu izquierda. The library is on your left. Perfecto. ¿Pudiste comprender este ejemplo? Were you able to understand this example? I really hope so. Okay, let's have a look now at another example, and this time we're going to look for the supermarket, el supermercado. ¿Dónde está el supermercado? ¿Dónde está el supermercado? Where is the supermarket? Let's have a look. Ve a la derecha. Go right. Luego dobla a la derecha. I was doing this. I always have my left and right confused. Let's go again. Ve a la derecha. Yes, go right. Luego dobla a la derecha en la esquina. And then turn right at the corner. Y ve derecho. ¿Sí? Ve derecho. Go forward or go straight. El supermercado queda a tu izquierda. The supermarket is on your left. Otra vez. Ve a la derecha. Luego, dobla a la derecha en la esquina y ve derecho. El supermercado queda a tu izquierda. Perfecto. Y vamos a ver el último ejemplo. Let's have a look at the last example for today. We are looking for el banco, ¿sí? The bank, el banco. ¿Dónde está el banco? ¿Dónde está el banco? Ve a la izquierda, ¿sí? Turn left or go left. Luego, dobla a la derecha. And then, turn right. Dobla a la izquierda. Turn left. El banco queda a tu derecha. See, the bank is on your right. Let's go again. ¿Dónde está el banco? Ve a la izquierda. Luego dobla a la derecha. Dobla a la izquierda. El banco queda a tu derecha. Muy bien. Perfecto. Very good job. Do you remember how to say forward in Spanish? Derecho. Derecho. And do you remember how to say go forward in Spanish? Ve derecho. Ve derecho. Do you remember how to say right in Spanish? Derecha. Derecha. Do you remember how to say turn in Spanish? Dobla. Dobla. Do you remember how to say turn right in Spanish? Dobla a la derecha. Dobla a la derecha. Do you remember how to say corner in Spanish? Esquina. Esquina. Do you remember how to say then in Spanish? And then. Luego. Luego. Do you remember how to say and then turn right at the corner? Luego, dobla a la derecha en la esquina. Luego, dobla a la derecha en la esquina. Do you remember how to say library in Spanish? Biblioteca. Biblioteca. Do you remember how to say left in Spanish? Izquierda. Izquierda. Do you remember how to say on your left side in Spanish? A tu izquierda. A tu izquierda. Do you remember how to say the library is on your left side? La biblioteca está a tu izquierda. La biblioteca está a tu izquierda. Do you remember how to say bank in Spanish? Banco. Banco. And do you remember how to say supermarket in Spanish? Supermercado. Supermercado. Muy bien. Muy buen trabajo. Very good job. That is all for today. Thank you so much for watching this lesson, and I will see you in the next one. Adiós.
Want to speed up your language learning? Take your very first lesson with us. You'll start speaking in minutes and master real conversations. Sign up for your free lifetime account. Just click the link in the description.